Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and I'm coming back at you with another unboxing. So this time, we got a little something from Panda Hobby. Let me go ahead and open this box and show you what we got inside. Okay, we got it open. And there you go. A little hint at what's inside, but let me go ahead and take this out now so we can get a real good look at what's in here. And there you have it. The 1/18th four-wheel drive scale crawler, ready to run, a model beyond your expectations, with a lithium battery USB charger. It has speed HML and LED remote shifting. Factory assembled, everything included, no building required. It has controllable lights, alloy oil dampered shocks, ready to run, four-wheel drive, crawling capabilities. It's got a 2.4 gigahertz digital radio system, a lithium battery, and the charger. So this is the Tetra X2 by Panda Hobby. That's right, the Tetra X2 by Panda Hobby. And here are your vehicle specifications. Four-wheel drive scale crawler, ready to run, a lithium battery, brushed 180 51 tooth reverse rotation motor, USB charger. It's got a steel ladder frame with nylon composite cross members, a lock differential, fully proportional forward and reverse speed control, solid axle with a 4-link. It is water resistant. It has a 3-speed electronic switch for the transmission. The shock type is oil-filled alloy. It's got front and rear LED controllable lights. It's even got the approach angle, max climb angle, departure angle, tilt, full articulation, wheelbase. Even got the running weight there. Yeah. I like the picture there too, that's pretty cool. It's a nice little box, by the way. So there you go. Basically says all the same things we just talked about, and says it's got a large number of hop-ups for it too, which when you get RC cars, you do want to be able to get some hop-ups for them, of course. You guys know how I like hop-ups. I like my stuff fully loaded. So let's go ahead and open this box. It does have a nice factory seal there. So we'll go ahead and pull this factory seal off. Ooh, we popped its cherry. Alright, let's open her up. This is a very nice little box. I really like it. So here we go. What's this little guy here? What? They give you a banner? Nah. This is pretty cool. A banner? What? You know I'm going to be hanging that up in the war room. Alright, Panda Hobbies. I dig that, guys. So yeah, you buy one of these Tetra X2s, you get a little Panda Hobbies banner. That's awesome, guys. I appreciate that, Panda Hobbies. Okay, there's the little blazer style body there, but you don't get to see that yet. First, we're going to pull out this box, which will most likely be our transmitter. So here is this box, and I am correct. There's your transmitter. So let me pull out the transmitter and show you what it looks like and how it comes in the box. There is the controller itself. And there's the top. And it is cable tied in. And there's where your batteries go. We'll just put that back in its box aside because this is simply an unboxing, not a run review. Okay, so if you look how it's boxed very nicely with these heavy styrofoam blocks in here, keeping it very secure in there. No worries on shipping, which is great. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and pull it out. There is your Tetra X2. Really cool body. I really like the body. Looks like it's either a Blazer or an old International Scout. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and turn the body over a little bit and show you the ladder frame and the 4 links. And I'll save the rest for after we show you what's left in the box. And that is your little baggie with your quick start. Okay, so I've cut the baggie open, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. There's your quick start guide. Everything you need to know wrapped up in one little pamphlet here. And it comes with the rest of the decals. Different plate numbers you can put on. You could make it a US vehicle or an EU vehicle. It looks like a Florida or an Asian country, and maybe Russia. That's what that other plate is. So down at the bottom of the transmitter box, there's another small box here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, inside this small box comes a box wrench and a couple little tidbits there and an Allen key. Then we have our LiPo battery, a second LiPo battery, 700 milliamps. That's pretty nice. Okay, we have a set of 4 AA batteries, I'm assuming for the transmitter. So this is truly ready to run, guys. Comes with 2 lithiums and your alkalines for the transmitter. Pretty cool. And last but not least is your USB charger. So that's what comes in this little box that was in the bottom of the transmitter box. So what I've done is I've used their own little banner here, and the styrofoam blocks is a nice little display for us, so I can show you the articulation here of this particular truck. See if you guys can catch that. Let me come around and hopefully you guys can see that nice little articulation it's getting there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the body for you guys. So let's take a look inside the body here. Looks as if the battery goes right here within a hook and loop mechanism. Here you have your receiver, you have your motor, and your steering servo, alloy oil filled dampered shocks, go ahead and flip her over here for you. Oh, by the way, let's check out that articulation without the body on. So, hopefully you guys can see that articulation that it's getting there. Real nice. And so it is clipped for the lights right here. And I am going to have to put this little LED back in its spot right here, as when I took off the body it popped out. Not a big deal. As a matter of fact, I can show you guys, it just pops in just like that. So if you are to lose your little LED, just pop it back in, no big deal. Don't fuss and fight. Now let me go ahead and flip it over for you guys. You did get a look at it before I took the body off, but here you go. Take a really good look at that assembly there. And hopefully these will be some nice, strong drive shafts.
So there you have it, guys. The Tetra X2 by Panda Hobbies. 18th scale, ready to run, 4-wheel drive crawler. So with that, guys, like I always say, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden, guys.